Chapter 1: Mysterious Signals from Space. For decades, scientists have been searching for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. But what if we've already received signals, and just don't fully understand them yet? In 1977, a radio astronomer at Ohio State University picked up a mysterious signal from deep space. It was so strong and unusual that he circled it on the printout and wrote a single word beside it: "Wow." This signal, lasting just 72 seconds, never repeated, and to this day, no one knows its origin. Could it have been a transmission from an advanced alien civilization? More recently, astronomers have detected something even more bizarre: fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These are incredibly short but powerful radio pulses that come from far beyond our galaxy. Some appear to repeat in strange patterns, raising questions about their possible artificial origin. NASA and other space agencies have acknowledged these anomalies but insist that they are natural cosmic events. However, some experts believe that these signals could be evidence of an advanced civilization trying to communicate with us. And that brings us to an even bigger question: if extraterrestrials are trying to reach out, where are they? Could they be living on planets similar to our own? Chapter 2: Habitable Exoplanets, Worlds like Earth. If signals from space suggest the possibility of intelligent life, the next logical question is, where could these civilizations exist? Over the past few decades, NASA has discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Some of them exist in the habitable zone, the region where conditions might support life. One of the most promising discoveries is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. It's about 60% larger than Earth and orbits a Sun-like star in a similar way. Could it harbor alien life? Another intriguing world is Proxima b, an exoplanet just 4.2 light-years away, practically in our cosmic backyard. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, meaning it could have liquid water, a key ingredient for life. But the real mystery isn't just whether planets like these could support life, it's whether they already do. In 2020, astronomers detected an unusual gas called phosphine in the clouds of Venus, a possible biosignature that could suggest microbial life. While later studies questioned the findings, the event proved one thing: we are closer than ever to discovering extraterrestrial life. And that discovery might have already happened, decades ago. Because in 1976, NASA's Viking 1 lander ran an experiment on Martian soil that may have detected living organisms. So why was this finding dismissed? Chapter 3: The Viking 1 Experiment and Life on Mars. If NASA is searching for signs of life on distant exoplanets, why would they ignore potential evidence from our own cosmic neighbor, Mars? In 1976, the Viking 1 lander became the first spacecraft to successfully operate on the surface of the Red Planet. One of its primary missions: search for signs of life. The lander conducted a groundbreaking experiment. It mixed Martian soil with a nutrient solution designed to detect microbial activity. To everyone's surprise, the results were positive. The soil released gas in a way that, on Earth, would indicate the presence of living microorganisms. This should have been a historic moment, the first direct evidence of life beyond Earth. But instead of celebrating, NASA dismissed the results, arguing that the reaction was caused by unknown chemical processes rather than biology. For decades, scientists have debated whether NASA's conclusions were premature. Some researchers argue that Viking may have actually discovered microbial life on Mars, and we ignored it. Fast forward to today, and NASA is once again searching for life on Mars. The Perseverance rover is collecting soil samples, and future missions could finally confirm what Viking hinted at nearly 50 years ago. But this raises a disturbing question: if NASA overlooked, or even covered up, potential evidence of alien life once before, could they be hiding something even bigger? Chapter 4: NASA's Secrets. What are they hiding? If NASA possibly dismissed signs of life on Mars in the 1970s, what else could they be keeping from the public? Over the years, former NASA employees and astronauts have made shocking claims. One of the most famous was Dr. Edgar Mitchell, the sixth man to walk on the moon. Before his death, he repeatedly stated that high-ranking officials knew about alien life but were hiding the truth. He claimed that UFO encounters were real and that governments had secretly interacted with extraterrestrials. Even more mysterious are the NASA live feeds from the International Space Station, ISS. Several times, unexplained objects have appeared on screen, only for the feed to suddenly cut out. Coincidence? Or is NASA deliberately censoring what we see? Then there's the case of Bob Lazar, a physicist who claims to have worked on reverse engineering alien technology at a secret facility near Area 51. He insists that the US government possesses UFOs powered by gravity-defying technology, far beyond anything humans have created. Could NASA also have access to this knowledge? Many believe the agency is carefully controlling the narrative, drip-feeding information to the public while keeping the most shocking discoveries under wraps. But why? If undeniable proof of extraterrestrial life existed, it would change everything: our beliefs, our governments, and even our understanding of the universe. But here's the real question: are we about to find out the truth? Because in recent years, NASA has made some very unusual moves. Chapter 5: Are we on the verge of disclosure? For decades, NASA has remained tight-lipped about alien life. But recently, something has changed. In 2021, the US government released a long-awaited UFO report, confirming that military pilots had encountered unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, objects defying the laws of physics. While the report didn't confirm extraterrestrial origins, it admitted that many sightings remain unexplained. If even the military is acknowledging these mysterious crafts, could NASA be preparing to do the same? Then, in 2022, NASA made a shocking announcement: it was officially launching a team to study UAPs. For an agency that has long dismissed UFOs, this was an unprecedented move. Suddenly, NASA was no longer ignoring the phenomenon, they were actively investigating it. Even more suspicious. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's most powerful observatory, has been detecting strange atmospheric compositions on distant planets, possible signs of alien life. Will NASA finally reveal what they've been hiding? Or will they continue to control the narrative? One thing is clear: we are closer than ever to finding the truth. Whether through government leaks, space discoveries, or new whistleblower testimonies, the evidence is mounting. But the biggest question remains: are we truly ready for the answer? If you love uncovering the mysteries of the universe, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what we're uncovering next.